Hola! Today I'm going to be doing a look with the Morphe Lisa Frank palette 35B. The look is inspired by my zodiac sign. I'm an Aquarius, and blue is just a calming color for us. I'm going to start with my Tarte Shape Tape today, and I'm just going to prep my eyes so I can get the most pigment out of my shadows. I'm buffing it into my eyes with my Tarte Beauty Sponge. Taking one of my naked brushes, I'm just going to set the concealer with a skin color shadow so everything blends good. Using my Anastasia Brow Wiz, I'm just going to brush out my eyebrows and fill them in. And I also blend it in with a spoolie at the end so it looks more natural. Taking my Anastasia Clear Brow Gel, I'm just going to brush this on and make sure that all the hairs are where I want them to be. I'm going to go in with my M459 brush by Morphe, and I'm just going to create a line with setting powder for a soft wing line. I love this technique because you can create a line that's not so sharp, like if you were to use tape. Using a fluffy blending brush, I'm picking up the shade Angel Kitty, and I'm just going to blend this color into my crease. Taking my M433, I'm just going to press that color into my crease area, and this will give you more pigment if that's what you want. I'm going back into my M504 and just blending it out more, and the more time you take to blend, the better the look's going to come out. And actually, this is me and how I really blend. I'm not skipping anything in this video, so you can see exactly what I do. So now I'm going back into my M433 and I'm adding more Angel Kitty to deepen it up again. And again, just blending some more. I switch back and forth like this, adding more color and blending it again until it looks good. Once I get the color payoff I'm looking for, then I will stop and do my other things to my eyes that I want to do. I'm taking the color Tekanni, and it's pretty much a deeper blue, and I'm going to use the M433 brush, which is the one we were using before, and I'm going to press the color into my outer crease and swipe it in to blend it in with the other color, Angel Kitty. I'm adding more setting powder because during the blending process it tends to go away. Taking my naked brush and the color Blanca, I'm just going to use that to highlight my brow bone, and this will also diffuse the blue and make it look more blended. And then again with the fluffy blending brush one more time to blend even more. Using my Tarte Shape Tape again and a flat detailed brush, this one is the Morphe M213. I'm going to cut my crease. I start with my inner lid area and slowly and carefully swipe upward, not taking too much product at a time. Since I have hooded eyes, I'm going to bring it up above my actual crease. This will give the illusion my eyelids are bigger than they really are. And the lid color you choose will show more when your eyes are open and you're just looking straight at my face. Using my finger, I blend the end out so it doesn't leave a harsh line. Using my M124 brush and the first color in the palette, it's like a light blue, I'm just going to pick up a good amount of the product on my brush, and this is a slightly bigger brush. It's not a lot bigger, but you can definitely go in with the first brush you use to cut your crease. That would be all right. I'm just going to press this onto my eyelid. I'm not swiping, I'm just pressing it on there. That way you can get the most pigment out of the color than if you were to swipe it on. I'm going back in with that dark blue color, and I'm just kind of further blending that outer crease area up so we don't have a harsh line. And again with the fluffy brush, I'm just going to blend more and more and more until I get the desired look that I want. Next, I'm going to take a very thin brush. This one is from Jelliwink Cosmetics. I'm using my NYX Glitter Primer to create a wing shape, and I'm going to actually bring it in to my inner corner, and you'll see what I do. I didn't show myself putting the glue on all the way to my inner corner. I'm going to add my Lit Cosmetics glitter, and this is in the shade Magic Dragon number 3. And I'm just going to kind of swipe / pat on that color. When you use that brush that you just used with the glitter primer on it, the glitter will stick to it better. So it's easier to pick it up and actually put it on your eye. I just keep patting the glitter, and I'm actually patting it a little bit where I put the blue. That way it kind of blends. It's definitely harder to blend a glitter, but if you just kind of use some of that leftover glue you have and just pat it in the other area where the glitter isn't, it should blend a little bit better. Next, I'm just going to clean up those dark circles under my eyes with my Tarte Shape Tape. Using my damp beauty sponge, I'm just going to pat that concealer out until it looks blended, making sure to get it all over under your eye, but try not to mix it with the glitter. I'm going to use this brush right here to just dab on some skin colored eyeshadow. You can use setting powder, and you can actually use any brush that you feel comfortable with. I just had this one, so I just thought I'd use that one. Using my Juvias Place I Am Magic flat top foundation brush and my Tarte face tape, I'm just going to press this right into my skin. And I did prime first. I just did not put that in this video, and I used the Tarte face or base tape, and you definitely want to prime before you put your foundation on. That's very important. After I put the foundation on, I always go in with my damp beauty sponge, and you can spray some Fixed Plus on it as well before you start kind of patting it into your skin. But you don't have to do that. It's just something I like to do. And you're just going to press it into your skin even more, and this just makes it look even better. Going in with my powder brush and my Derma Blend Pro setting powder, I'm just going to swipe this all over my face to cover up the foundation, and this will just give you a smooth, beautiful finish. Using my Colorpop Super Shock Cheek in the color Flexitarian, I'm just going to pop this right on the tops of my cheeks and on my nose. You can also do your Cupid's bow and above your eyebrows if you desire to. For blush, I'm using my NYX Sweet Cheeks matte in the shade Citrine Rose, and holy cow, I did not realize how pigmented this was going to be. I actually used setting powder to tone it down a little bit, but it was my first time using it, so yeah, whoopsie. For lips today, I'm using my NYX lipstick in the color a la mode, and I'm just going to put this all over my lips. I don't really use liners, but you can go in with a liner to make it easier to fill in your lipstick. For my lower lash line, I'm going in with the color Angel Kitty and a flat blending brush, and I'm just going to swipe this all over my bottom lash line. Using my Jumbo eye pencil in the shade Milk, I'm just going to apply this all over my waterline, and I love using a white on my waterline. It makes you look more awake and makes your eyes look more open. Lastly, I'm going to use my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray and spray that all over my face. And here is the finished look. I did not film myself putting lashes on. That's actually in the very next video. If you guys are interested in how to put lashes on, I go in depth on that, and I'd love for you to watch it. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day.